Hello and good morning everyone. Here we got our game website Racing Royale, and here I am. We'll guide you around it. Okay, so at the home page we got our game logo, which is Racing Royale, and our catchphrase, which is 3, 2, 1, let's race. Okay, and here is the introduction, so you can read it later on. And here below the introduction of the website we got the game intro for the opening of our game. See, let's play. Okay, so at the right corner you notice we get a chat system for you to converse with us if you get any question or any inquiry that you want us to answer. Okay, just chat and just type your message and we will answer your question. Okay, so when we press the about button, we will go to the about page, which explain a little about the Racing Royale, which is the genre, objective, based on what game, our goal, and the game mechanics. Okay, so you can read on that part later on. So at the below that we got three track that we used in the Racing Royale that the difficulty will increase by the number of the track. So the higher the number of the track, so the higher the difficulty is by it. So at the our team tab, this page explain about the team member of the Racing Royale and their contribution, their hard work to this game, which divided by the game designer, the game programmer, UI designer, and the 3D artist. Okay, at the development tab, we got we got our progress in making of the Racing Royale from scratch, of the design of the car model, track, and lastly the UI. Okay, so we got a pretty rough start. Okay, at the beginning, and the feedback tab, lastly, please provide us feedback to improve our products and the user experience that you experience from our websites. Thanks and have a good day.
Hello, welcome to our game. This is Racing Royale and we are its developers. Racing Royale is a racing car game. The game objective is to see which car or enemy reach the finish line first. So let's start our game. This is our main menu. We have reload, start, setting and exit. Load is the save function for this game. So let's start our first stage. This is stage 1. So in our game, as you can see, we have a countdown timer and we have a speedometer which calculate the car engine power to determine the gear number, whether it's increase or decrease based on the car speed. And also we have a position counter to calculate the car positioning, and a minimap which follow the player. So for this game, if the player press space, the car will brake and drift, which leave the drift rail and a smoke particle to make it easier for maneuvering, to maneuver the track. So let's finish our first stage, and when the player already finished the stage, they can't accelerate, they can only turn. So this is our second stage. So before we start this stage, let me show you the save function. So when we press escape, the game will pause and you can save, and we will go to main menu and let's try load the game, and it will go to the last save track. So this is our track 2. There you go. So let's go to the next stage. So this is our last stage, which is stage 3. For this stage, the enemy car is slightly faster. So as the player, to counter that, we give the player a boost for this stage. So when the player press shift, the car will boost significantly faster. So let's press shift. You can see the car will go faster. So that's it for our game. Thank you for watching.